so let's see. You guys can see how dark it is. Now we go and walk in. Boom. Picks us up. And super bright. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out these COB cordless sensor lights. This is a 2-pack. So let's go ahead, see what we get. All right, so right away you get a magnetic base for it. That can just be mounted on a wall anywhere you want. It's light enough that I think you could get away with using double-sided tape for mounting on a wall if you didn't want to drill. Yeah, so you got auto, off, and on feature. Let's see, you just twist it to put batteries in, and it looks like it takes 3 AAA batteries. This is what it looks like, the light. So it's very simple, very basic. I recommend rechargeable batteries. That's going to be your best bet for using it with. You know, you can use any batteries, but ooh, that's super bright. All right. Oh, yeah, actually, looks like, guys, they supply you with double-sided tape, so you don't have to drill. So, guys, this is the brightness. So, very bright. And you have auto. So basically in the center, there's a motion sensor in here, right there. And then all around it is the LED light. This is a 2-pack. Let's go ahead and show you. I'm actually going to put this in our closet. So that way when we open the door, light comes on. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, for this, you just peel it on the one side, then you peel off this top layer and then mount it wherever you want. All right guys, we're gonna set this on auto, place it right in here. So right above in our closet door. Now we're gonna leave, let it turn off and show you guys when you open the door. Oh yeah, so there. So there's already a light in here. But yeah, it's gonna turn on great. All right guys, so let's see. You guys can see how dark it is. Now we go and walk in, boom, picks us up, and super bright. So we can easily see everything in this closet. This is going to save electric. So obviously we have an energy efficient bulb. However, these are rechargeable batteries. We have a solar system. But anyway, that's besides the point. You guys can put this in a closet or anywhere you want, a crawl space, wherever you guys want. And as you can see, plenty of light.